Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. The title of our project is Designing a Peer-Facilitated Self-Management Mobile Application, a User-Centered Approach. Let's see the overview of our project. This paper presents a peer-facilitated self-care application called Mobile DSMS. It's based on a framework for collaborative disease management using a mobile technology. A peer facilitated falls on two categories of an application, that is face-to-face self-management program and remote self-management program. In a face-to-face self-management program, the user can view the content of an information as easier, and in remote self-management program, the user can view the information and the user focus the group of nearly it can send to 21 user of target group through SMS or email. Peer support is one form of collaborative disease management. It's based on the idea of patient, although they have some problem. Through our proposed concept, it tends to help the people to create awareness. In our existing approach, the user collaborative disease management system, the user can view the peer made of disease. In our existing, the user can send the viewed file information only to a particular group. In our proposed and a peer-facilitated self-care approach called Mobile DSMS service based on collaborative disease management. It mitigates the complicated associated with the disease learning with the approach. It reduces both the individual and national cost of managing the disease. It's a cost-effective. Our proposed model helps the user to keep awareness towards a group of people. We found two main categories as face-to-face self-management program and a remote self-management program. It helps to transmit the user-viewed information to a group of people through SMS or an email. Let's see the data flow diagram and architecture diagram of our project. This is our architectural diagram. We have a CDM mobile user, that is the collaborative disease management mobile. The people who are viewing the information as user, we consider here as user, and the user who viewed the information is going to share the information to a particular user targeted group. While they are going to transmit will be maintained in security and in privacy. If we focused information such as we are going to view a file for a heart, those particular file will be sent in a security manner through a group of people, and it help in the support of context. And this is our data flow diagram. Here we have an CDM mobile user, that is a collaborative disease management, the user who are viewing the information. We have in our project, we have some categorization. User can view the information of all the kind of disease of the human. The particular file information will be carried out by an categorization, and it carries by face-to-face self-management and a remote access self-management. The face-to-face management, where the user can view the information in a random manner and the data will be viewed. In a remote access, the user can view the data, the user get the data, and it can send through the email or SMS through a group. This is about our data flow diagram and architecture diagram. Let's see the demo of our project. This is our home page of our project. That is, we are going to categorize each part of our disease, and we are going to examine that to one user. Let's see our process. This is our first form, that is form we have, and this is a categorization button, and this is an email SMS, and this is a user friendly. We can view the application as easier. If here we have an image as blood, means information about the blood will be displayed here, and if that icon may get changed to some other like bone or a heart, that particular information will be viewed here. And this is a previous button, and this is a random generation button, and this is a next button, that is the information will be viewed here. That information, if we want to see, if we want to go to the next, we need to click on this next button, and if we need to go to the back of we need to view the previous information, we need to click on this previous button. And this is a random generation button, that we need to see our information as in a random manner. We can use this button. Let's see how it works. First we are going to categorization. This is our first module, that is a categorization model. Here we have different diseases, that is a brain. When I click on this brain, we can view the information brain, and this is a blood, body, bone. And when I click on this particular item, when we bone item means we can view the particular disease followed by the ID. And now I'm going to disease like blood. Let me see how it works. Here in our information text, we viewed as 2 million red blood cells die every second. And when I go back the categorization, and if I need to see some other disease information, like when I need to see about the eye, here I got an information text view. I got information about the eye, and I got an icon as eye. It creates a user friendly to the user. If we see a particular icon, we can view easily. That is here the information is viewed for only the eye. Here I got an information. The study of the iris of the eye is called ideology. So the information can view like that. Going back to my categorization, and our next module is implementation of remote self management. That is, if I click some item and I'm going to view on this, here we can view the information as easier. It gives us user friendly, for the user can view the particular information as easier. Whatever the disease they need, they are required, they can view. If I go into a particular disease, they are only about the particular, if blood, the only the particular information can be viewed for an user. Here I am viewing about only the blood. It's about an remote self management program. Our next module is accessing a random result. That is, I'm clicking on this is a random generation. It's about all the disease in a random manner. See, here I got as eye, and the study of the iris of the eye is called ideology. And when I click a heart, and the next it generate as next disease, that is a heart. Woman heartbeat faster than a man. And next time when I click on that is each disease information will be viewed one by one in a random manner. That is, here I can view as a brain. And when I click again to the random button, here I am viewing the icon as body. That is the information about the body will be viewed in here. And this is our accessing a random result manner. And next module is virtual support through email or SMS. That is, here we have remote management system program which we are viewing a particular information, and this information can be sent to any number of group of targeted people through email or an SMS. This is about an virtual support through email or SMS. And now suppose I need to send the information about the eye. I'm clicking on this eye, and here I got the information about the eye, and I need to transmit this to a user. Here I gave the contact details as to LCM, and the subject as eye, and about the disease, and I am transmitting this to a user, and this particular information has sent to one particular user. This is about our project. Thank you.